Relational drift is the slow, silent erosion of your network's structural integrity. It happens when you stop auditing your connections, allowing high-value assets to degrade into maintenance liabilities. Today, we install the Network Audit, a clinical high-frequency process for identifying drift and realigning your core connections with your strategic objectives. In engineering, drift is the deviation of a system from its intended set point. In your social architecture, drift occurs when the value exchange between you and your partners becomes asymmetric. You stop growing together, communication becomes reactive, and the synergy that once drove momentum begins to dissipate. If you aren't actively auditing your connections, you are losing equity. The first step is the value alignment scan. You must objectively assess each core relationship against your current growth trajectory. Does this connection currently provide a net positive contribution to your structural goals? Or has it become a legacy commitment that requires more energy than it returns? This isn't about being cold, it is about being precise with your limited human capital. Once you identify the drift, you execute the correction protocol. Reach out to those partners with a clear, direct objective. I've been reviewing our synergy, and I want to recalibrate our interaction to ensure we're both getting maximum output. You reset the expectations, clarify the current mission, and verify if the alignment still holds. Finally, implement frequency auditing. Establish a cadence for checking in, not to catch up, but to audit the connection's health. Treat these meetings as maintenance checkups. If a connection cannot be realigned, you must be prepared to deprioritize it to protect the stability of your broader network. Stop allowing your most important alliances to decay. Start auditing for performance and systemic alignment. When you eliminate relational drift, you stop leaking value and start building a network that compounds. If you want to move from accidental relationships to architected connections, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their circle. Lead with value, not expectations. This is your protocol for total relational control.